So this is actually going to be a really quick video. All I wanted to do was go through the directions for what you're going to do on your quiz today. So number one is just very simple. Which numbers make the comparison true? Notice it says numbers. So therefore, you should select two correct answers. So if you only select one, you get the whole thing wrong. So please follow directions. The next one, main reason why I'm recording this video, this word right here. So Edwin wrote out the inequality. That's kind of a fancy word. I haven't really used that word much, so I did want to touch on it. The word inequality just means when they say an inequality, they're talking about a comparison sentence. So I think I use the phrase comparison sentence more often, or just saying that you're going to compare these two numbers. But when they say inequality shown, they're just talking about the basically the comparison that you're seeing, or the comparison sentence that you're seeing. So in this case, there's a blank in the hundreds place and then there's a blank in the 1000s place. He said he could put the same digit into both blanks to make the inequality true. Which digit will make Edwin's statement true? So this actually goes with yesterday's lesson, the one where I showed a video on how to identify which place you're going to use to compare the two numbers. So again, I would highly recommend using pencil, paper, dry erase board, marker, and writing these down to figure things out. So make sure whatever digit you put in that place or choose, it will go in both places, and make sure that the comparison sentence stays true, that this number stays larger than the other number or greater than. This one I also wanted to kind of briefly touch on. This is just simply which symbol. Again, they use the word inequality sign. They're just saying which one of these comparison symbols would you put in the middle between 3 times 7 and 2 times 9. So first things first is you got to figure out what is 3 times 7, and then what is 2 times 9, and then what comparison symbol would go right here. And you're just simply choosing the one that goes with it. This again, they use the word inequality. This is the exact same thing as what it was on the last one. It's just with different numbers. So here you're again going to choose which one can go into both same digit. So you're only choosing one, but which one would keep that number sentence or comparison sentence true. Oops, sorry, wrong way. Then this one is pretty simple too. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So make sure you choose whichever one is putting the numbers in order from greatest to least. Pay attention to the commas. I don't know why they chose to separate the numbers by commas, but you can see the comma that's separating each number. There's a space in between there. So pay attention to that. And that's it, actually. So just 5 questions, should be simple. And I'm glad that we could go over it, and thanks for paying attention.